Welcome to the old barn on Birds Lane in Bunbury. This spectacular and characterful home is over 3,000 square feet with a large detached annex, a triple bay stable plot, an excellent sized paddock field, and this beautiful lake full of wildlife with mature trees and plants. Let's take a look around. There are several patio doors leading out into the beautiful gardens at the old barn, and two excellent sized reception rooms with beautiful views across the lake. This central living space also overlooks the lake, and it connects the two main reception rooms with the kitchen and study. Across the first floor of the old barn are 4 double bedrooms, with a large second bedroom looking towards the stables. But my favourite is this large master suite with views across the lake and a fantastic dressing room and ensuite. The old barn features this superb approach with a central turning driveway and a 1,600 square feet annexed and quadruple garage, which leads round to the triple bay stable block. So that was a brief glimpse of this special home here in Bunbury. For more information or to book a viewing, please call me or a member of our Tarpally team. We would love to show you around.